Hey guys, so we're here at Glenelg. We're gonna have our dinner sa Nijimaru for New Year. Say hi to Nicholas who just woke up from the car. And then there's Mommy and Brianna walking ahead of us. Mag-park kami dun sa lugar na walang nakalagay na ganyan. Kasi kapag meron, matuto ang aming car. So we have to make sure na nakahanap kami ng ganun. So medyo malayo-layo ang lakad, but it's not bad kasi hindi naman pangit yung weather eh. See you later! We need sushi! So, we're finally here sa Nijimaru. We're ready to eat. How about you, Bianca? Are you hungry?
Happy New Year!
Concept dito, may QR code sila, tapos lalagyan mo yung food na gusto mo, all you can eat sila. Imbis na iPad, sa phone nga na mag-order, which I think is pretty ingenious. Ito na yung pagkain, ang dami na.
May gana pa.
Ayan na yung mga sushi, sashimi, everything. Kain na! Alright! Nag-decide kami kung sa City o sa Glenelg. Hindi mapag-decide si Mommy. City or Glenelg?
City!
City or Glenelg?
City! City or Glenelg?
City or Glenelg?
Glenelg!
Tamad na kasi si Papa. City or Glenelg?
I don't know.
Hindi pa siya sure. Glenelg na ang decision namin. So we're here at Glenelg. May DJ. Daming tao. Hey, Glenelg! Where's your jacket?
Tutulin